Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the details of the person that you need to transact with on the Deriv dp2 platform. My name is Kuda from kudaonline.com. Let's get into it. So let's say you are in a position of wanting to buy a balance on dp2p at the Deriv platform. So there's an option to buy and there's an option to actually sell. So what this means for me is that here I've got a balance that I'm actually selling, and if I need to sell the balance to someone who has made an offer. So as you can see, I see that this this person has made an offer. They want to pay it 125, that other person wants to pay it 120, and things like that. So there are instances whereby I need to see if this person is he has a very good trust score, or he has been transacting on the platform how many times and things like that. So if you go onto any name, okay, if you go onto any name, if you move your mouse over, you're going to see that there is the name, and then once you click on it, it's going to open up the advertisers page. So you can see that the advertisers page number 1 is verified. The address again is verified, and then you can see the number of orders that they have actually done. Right now I'm actually on 45, and buy and sell, and then the completion, it's all of them is 100%, and average release time, I'm actually on 60 minutes. I think I need to improve on this one. So, and then you can see my buy orders there. I'm actually this is my order, and then my sell orders, you can actually see them there. So if I can actually go back, let me just go back, and let's say I need to sell. Okay, I need to sell my balance. So what I can do is I'm just going to click on this name. Then once I click on this name, as you can see, this person, his ID is verified, but address is not verified. And then number 2, they have not done any orders, nothing, zero release time. I've tried to sell to this person, and the order went cancelled because they were not actually online. The buys, they actually don't have anything. So if I can actually go on this person, and this person has done 3 orders, both ID and address is verified, and in less than a minute they can actually release your funds. So probably if I'm going to be given a choice, I can actually, this person has got a 75% score. I might likely to deal with this person than the first person. So let me just come here and see this other person. Okay, this is another person. As you can see, I think I have most of the numbers of orders so far. When I was actually checking, this person has got a score of 50%, and my score was 100%. So let me just check on this person again. 66%. So I'm sure these people, they actually this person has never dealt on the platform before. If I can actually check this guy, and this person is 40%. So it's very important that you build your profile so that you get your scores 100% and things like that. And you can use this technique if you want to buy or sell from someone by just clicking their name to see their score and their trades that they've actually done. So the higher the numbers, the higher the chances that you're gonna make a smooth deal that you're gonna do. So that's all I wanted to share, guys, and I'm really loving these new changes that Deriv has actually done when they moved from when they're actually rebranding from binary.com into Deriv. These are some of the changes that they're actually bringing. So if you're confused with that I've just explained, what is this dp2p, I've actually added some links in the description. One of my videos as well explains how these what I've just explained, how it works in terms of depositing into your online forex trading broker. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to assist, and bye for now.